What's up, YouTube? Go check this gadget. Coming to you with the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro, the Pacific Blue color. Just a quick video just to show you the color and what's in the nice new slim box here. So that is the front. Lucky for me, UPS came nice and early. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's back to the iPhone 5, how they used to be like rounded on the edges like this. And here, first of all, here's that color. There we go. Take a look at that. I'm shooting this on the SE. It doesn't look as crispy as I would like. It's a little cloudy outside today, so it's not getting the best lighting through the window, but here is a view of it. It's like matte on the back. Well, I think it's brushed. Technically, I think it's considered brushed. And then we have those nice aluminum there. And something different. They don't have the clear plastic like usual. It's just a white one, and under there is the screen. So I'm not going to pull that off. I'm going to drop this right into the case, and I try to go so I don't get any dust particles on there. And then here's your box now, your lonely box, our cable. But now we get USB C to lightning cable, which doesn't help many of us because many of us do not have the brick to support the USB-C, which was Apple's whole reason for taking out the brick to support the environment. But this really doesn't support the environment because many of us do not have this brick. I have a lot of the original USB-A, but I do not have a USB. I do have a USB-C, thanks to my Samsungs, and I got an iPad charger that I can use. But I'm saying most people had a stock of the older with the original USB port, not the USB-C. So I think Apple should have included, considering that they were switching up the card on us, they should have included the power brick. But you know, that's a discussion for another day. SIM tool, one little Apple sticker now. We used to get two. Now you're down to one. Oh, Apple. But anyway, that is a quick unboxing, short video. Till next time, later.